Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this herbal hair growth cream. So we'll be needing shea butter, grapeseed oil and avocado. You can use whatever oil you find. You can use olive oil, jojoba oil, any oil that suits your scalp and hair very well. So I just pour the grapeseed oil into the container. Depending on the amount of oil you use, it's okay. So I'm scooping in the avocado, as you can see, and I'm matching the avocado in the grapeseed oil. Like I said earlier, you can use whatever oil you find, either olive oil, jojoba oil, or castor oil. Whatever oil you use is okay. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of clove. We all know clove is so very good for the hair and scalp. So what I just did was to make sure that I dissolve the oil content and I filter it. I'm sorry I did not get the video where I was featuring the oil mixture. I didn't know what happened. My camera just stopped working. I'm so sorry about that. So when I dissolved the whole thing in the double boil, I just filtered it, and that is shea butter. I just dissolved the shea butter right there, as you can see. That was very fast. And I added the whole mixture of avocado, grapeseed oil and clove in the shea butter, and I'm pouring it into that jar. Can you see? It's so amazing. This hair butter works for so many things concerning hair problem. It works to for hair growth. It helps to soften the scalp. It helps to so many things. It's all encompassing. So the next thing is I waited for about 2 days for this oil to solidify, and I'm about to blend it using a blender. You can use anything you find to just make sure you blend the whole mixture together. The reason for this is to make sure the whole mixture is completely smooth, that it will look like a normal cream. I mean a smooth cream, a smooth paste for us to use and for it to easily absorb into the hair and scalp. All right everyone, our cream is ready. Like I said earlier, this cream, it's herbal. It works for hair growth, it works for hair thinning, it works to cure dandruff, and also add shine to the hair. All right everyone, our cream is ready. It's looking so beautiful, and I'm going to be showing you how to apply this cream on your hair, which is like an extra bonus to this video. All right everyone, so I'm applying. Make sure the hair is completely washed. You can wash it with mild shampoo. If you're applying it on a toddler's hair, just wash the toddler or the babies or up to about 10 or 15-year-old hair with just mild shampoo. You don't have to wash it with a very harsh shampoo. Just the mild shampoo is okay. And if you're using on an adult hair, just make sure that your hair is completely washed, free of residue and all that before you apply. Also know that this herbal hair growth cream works for both adults and kids. In fact, it is all encompassing. I also use it on my skin. All right everyone, this is the hairstyle we made from today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, support my work, share my content with your friends and families. Also encourage them to subscribe to my channel. All right, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you.